Mr. Speaker, the governor's budget cuts 4.5%. Are they constitutional in your view?
You asking me as a legislator or a lawyer?
Both, as Speaker of the House and a lawyer.
I don't think that when the appropriation is given by the General Assembly and the money is there, I think the only time the governor can not appropriate what the General Assembly directed is when there is a budget shortfall. I think it's clear.
Do you plan to file a suit?
Well, I'm not an affected party.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't have standing.
Right. So do you think the universities have standing?
They definitely have standing, and they definitely, in my opinion, will win that lawsuit. The Fletcher case set a very strict precedent that a governor cannot appropriate money. And the only, so if he affects an appropriation, the only time he can affect an appropriation is when there's not enough revenue to meet that appropriation. He has broad general powers as the chief magistrate of the Commonwealth. The Fletcher case recognizes that. But if I owe you $1 and I only give you 75 cents, but I've got $1 to give you, then I've effectuated that appropriation. And I think the Fletcher case makes it clear he can't do that.
Go ahead. No, if this were allowed to stand, or it would stand, then a governor at any time, if didn't like an agency or had something, they could cut their money.
Or a county.
Or a county.
Or a city. Or a mayor. That's right. It's a very dangerous precedent. I can't imagine that and Steve Pitt has a reputation as a very fine lawyer. I can't imagine that he wasn't warned of that. There are very significant legal pitfalls. It's likely, I think, that if the universities choose to litigate with him, that they would likely, I think a court would be at least sympathetic to having their legal fees paid, so it's going to cost the taxpayers money when he keeps doing stuff like this.